Hi, welcome back to Belle's Kitchen. It's Dami. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my birthday vanilla cupcakes. These cupcakes are really simple to make. They come together in a snap. It's really moist and absolutely delicious. You have to try it out. So let's get into it. Alright, so to start, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit before you start. So I have my oven preheating, and then I also prepared my muffin tins by putting some cupcake liners just to make sure that once my batter is ready, everything is good to go and I don't leave it sitting out. So I have my bowl and my sifter, and I'm going to measure 1 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour. Half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then we sift this. Now I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. I'll mix this together and then we set this aside. So here I have 3/4 of a cup of butter, or 1.5 sticks of unsalted butter. Now I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and then I'll cream this together. So you just want to keep creaming the butter and the sugar mixture, and then we'll add 3 eggs, one at a time. So I'll add the first egg, mix it in, second egg, and now I added the third egg with 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Once I'm done mixing, I'll use my spatula to make sure everything is properly mixed, and then I'll set this aside. So for my liquid, I'm going to be using 1/3 cup of plain yogurt. This is my homemade yogurt. If you want to see a video of how I make my homemade yogurt, I'm going to put a link up above and down below in the description box. And then I'm going to put 1/3 cup of milk. So we have this at the 2/3 mark. Mix this together. Now I'm going to start alternating between my wet and dry ingredients. So I'll add the flour in 3 parts, and then I'll add the liquid in 2 parts. So I'll start with the flour mixture. You just want to fold this in. So we just want to mix this until it's combined. We don't want to overwork the batter and activate the gluten. So this is obviously sped up. That's why it looks like I'm doing it so fast. So I'm adding the first part of the wet ingredients. I'll mix this in. I add the second part of the dry ingredients. Mix this in. I'm adding the second and final part of the wet ingredients. Mix it in again. And then I add the third and final part of the dry ingredients and mix this in. So once this is combined, I'm going to add a shake of my rainbow sprinkles. That's what is going to make it a birthday cupcake. And then I'll mix this. Now using my quarter cup measuring cup, I'm just going to start scooping in the batter into the cupcake liners. If you have an ice cream scoop, you can use that too. Then I'm just going to shake this to get rid of any air bubbles and put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. It's always good to make a little bit more than you actually need because this cake is so good. So because I have some leftover batter, I'm just going to be spraying my cake pan with some cooking spray. Now I'm going to pour the rest of the batter into the cake pan. Making sure I scrape the bowl down. Nothing must go to waste. And then I just smooth the top of the cake batter. Tap this out and put it in the oven. Now my cakes are ready. I let them cool a bit in their pans, and now I'm just putting them on a cooling rack to cool completely before I put the frosting on the cake so that it doesn't turn to soup. So to make the frosting, I add a quarter cup of powdered sugar and 2 cups of heavy cream. I'll mix this together just to get things started. And then I'll whip the cream. Once you turn this upside down and it doesn't fall off from your fingers, the cream is ready. So I'm just going to use my spatula to finish it up. And then I add a splash of vanilla extract to flavor this. So now I'm going to pour this into a piping bag so it will be easy for me to decorate the cake. I'm sure there is a better way to frost your cupcakes. Please, nobody should come for me. I'm not a professional baker. I'm just doing it how I know how to. So, and it looks kind of decent. And when I'm done, I'm going to put some sprinkles on it. So this is how the cake looks. I scraped down a little bit of the frosting because I don't really like frosting. I prefer more cake and then just a little bit of frosting. So this is how it looks in the middle. You can see it's super soft. And then I just like to eat it like a sandwich so that I don't have all the frosting in my mouth at once. Because I'm feeling nice today, I'm going to give you some so you can open your mouth and eat it from your screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you loved it, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Don't also forget to leave a comment in the comment section below on what you think about this recipe and what kind of recipes you would like to see. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.